Okay. Yellow potatoes.
Onions.
Fresh, right from the garden.
Yes. Green onions. Carrots for the filling of the causa. Green beans. And the fresh yellow pepper. Okay.
Yellow, they look orange.
Yeah. Peruvian language. It's like, remember we had that sauce yesterday that was all yellow sweet.
Spicy level.
Hot. The hotter the better.
From 1 to 10.
10.
Oh wow. Very, very spicy.
I can take spice. I ate a ghost pepper once.
Oh wow, so Mexican food is a joke for you.
I cannot take spice that well.
We call it cacho de toro. In English is
the ball, the catch of the ball, the
ball.
corn, the
Toro.
corn.
Oh, okay.
yes.
Because plants have shape, and also more
It is higher.
high. All this only grows in 3,000 meters
Wow,
over
that's
the
high.
sea.
So 15,000 feet up. That's very high.
Yes.
Yeah.
We have this.
I like it a lot too. Here,
Here,
it's a lot of fun.
everything.
Okay.
For the
Smells sweet.
yes.
Yeah.
For the
I
sweet
love
sauce.
mango.
Me too.
How are your leaves?
The coca tea.
The
CocaTea.
CocaTea, yeah, that is very, very.
Yeah, chips.
You have the reason.
From
we
5,000
drink
meters
coffee.
up the mountain. That's the type of potato that grows.
We don't drink a
It's
lot
the
of coffee.
blue toro. What is it, toro?
Oh, see, a cow.
Different
Cow.
herbs.
Okay.
wanted to
Oh, toro in English.
What's this called in English? The
Toro
chip,
in English.
the chip of the bowl?
What?
The chips.
Toro? Bowl.
Bowl.
Yeah.
Toro bowl. Bowl chips.
Bowl chips. Yeah. Oh wow. It's delicious.
Very good.
Garlic, some salt to deshydrate all, and we're gonna mash. Make a paste.
That's so cool.
Okay, the carrots now in little cubes. Okay, this is for the filling of the causa. Okay.
You gotta go ahead and chop it up, Miriam.
Muy bien.
Not very good at it.
Watch this.
You should cook more often.
Just because I'm good at it doesn't mean I want to do it. Cut it up in half? Cut it in half?
Yes. Remove the inside part.
Okay. So this part inside?
Yes. Be careful, no finger.
You're gonna find this kind in this way, all ready
You're gonna find it as a paste.
like the steak, the paste.
Look at this. Here I roasted, yes.
Smells wonderful.
But
And that cracks the corn?
yes,
Cracks.
I was
yes.
asking about that
Yeah,
yesterday.
it's really good.
Corn, white and black,
Red, white, black quinoa.
quinoa, and I put in the carrot. Okay,
Okay.
little cubes, both together for 8 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, just cook very fast.
Yeah, today, yeah.
Try this, it's fresh.
Today vamos a tomar un poco de
Sí, sí, sí. Hoy vamos a probar si desea.
Today we're gonna try CocaTea. We got here.
Coca
Yes,
tea?
if you like, yes.
And also we have muña.
Yeah.
Muña is very, very good for your stomach. When you have stomachache, perfect. My mother always give me that.
Drink muña.
Muña, yeah.
Perfect.
I told you I cook all the time.
The lomo.
Lomo, la carne.
So this is the back of the cow, by the spine.
Okay, first we are going to remove this part.
Okay.
Okay, and this part, the fat part we don't use.
Yep.
And then we are going to cut in big pieces.
Okay, I got it.
Okay.
Quick.
So you're removing the skin from the peppers to make our sauce.
They look more yellow now.
They do look more yellow. Before being cooked, before being cooked, they were way more orange.
Yes, when it's boiled, when it's cooked, look yellow.
So,
Puree.
yes. Not a problem. Yes.
Beautiful color.
Yes. This is the potato. Change the color as orange.
Yeah. Beautiful. And then peeling the potatoes.
Do you like taste a little bit?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Very fresh. Peppers, yeah. It's peppers. It tastes good.
So good.
Yeah.
We are removing the skin now, but we usually eat the skin when we boil it.
Oh, I like the skin.
Yes.
Okay, go. Push, push, push,
Up.
push,
Epa.
push. Yay! Keep going. More. Keep going. Make them touch together. There you go. Keep going. Keep going.
It's good.
Yeah.
Now, please add more.
More potato. Ready, go.
I
Nice. Good job.
think it's easier the second time.
Yeah.
It's already been mashed.
You could have said it was the first time, but you said
I mean, first try.
Oil, okay? And we put in garlic. Okay? First we put in garlic and oil. Low temperature, not too much high. Then we put in the rice. This is basmati type.
Basmati.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Just wash, okay? And we put it inside. All the rice. And the quantity for the rice is 1 cup of rice for 1 cup of water.
Okay.
Okay, 1 by 1.
It's okay because some people.
Portion is really hard.
Yeah.
So this is for the cow's filling.
Uh-huh. Always is low temperature, then high little by little.
Okay.
Okay? Si no se quema, then it's burned. The same yellow pepper, okay?
Almost exactly everything.
The same yellow pepper,
Sweet
but
pepper.
sun-dried yellow pepper.
Sun-dried.
Yes.
This is the same yellow pepper that we make the paste, but
Yeah.
this before we dry under the sun. We make the paste.
Yes.
Sweeter.
We have different base here. This is one of the base with yellow. We have another that is with it's green to prepare green food,
Yeah.
green stew made with spinach and culantro.
Like other vegetable more, you can put it.
Is quinoa from Peru?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Quinoa, is it? Yeah.
Yes.
Who knew? Did you know? I didn't know. I thought it was from Whole Foods.
We have 7 different types of quinoa.
Really?
But the most commercial in Lima
This
is
is 3.
3.
Okay.
Yes. The other 4 it's no están industrializados.
It's not commercial. It's not ready to like ready to eat.
Okay.
We
Yes.
need to wash a lot because the quinoa has like a sour, a
Oh.
little sour. So wash with a lot of water
Okay.
before to eat. But this not. This is ready to cook.
This one here. Okay. Now cilantro.
Good job. Chopping it up. Perfect.
Oh, it smells. Salt, just a little bit oil and lemon juice. Okay. Please add everything. Yes.
Everything. Scoop it out. It smells amazing.
Lemon juice. Now salt. and oil. Just a little bit oil. Okay, not too much. And mix and mash it with a spoon.
¿Te traigo la madera?
And mash it, okay? I show you. Yes. Look at that. Look at this. And mash it. Everything. Then mix. And again mash it.
Yeah, and it completely changes the color of the potato.
You know, change the color.
Yeah.
This is the color and the flavor. Muy rico.
Muy rico. Sabor rico.
Sabor rico.
Buenazo también we say.
What do you say?
Buenazo. When it's very,
Buenazo.
very good. Buenazo.
Buenazo. It sounds Italian. Buenazo.
Buenazo. Italian.
Buonissimo.
Buenísimo. Much spicy.
Not
Not
spicy.
spicy. One layer mashed potato. Okay, this is a
Okay.
faina. 1 spoon approximately. Rinse and mash it. Like that. Look at this. It's a 1 layer.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Go ahead, please.
It's rustic, but depends.
Yeah. So that's the avocado layer. All right.
Yeah, avocado.
It's beautiful. Do the avocado layer.
Our avocado is very, very delicious. Very creamy.
Creamy. Yeah.
Okay. The quantity, the amount that you wanna.
You want more?
Yeah, you
Or
wanna.
more?
With love, you know.
With love.
Muy bien, muy bien.
Let me taste.
We call palta fuerte.
Paita fuerte.
Palta. Here is called palta. No aguacate like in Mexico.
Paita.
Palta.
Wow.
Oh my god, no.
Careful with it.
Yay.
Muy bien. Good job. Now we are going to decorate the plate, okay? Oh, qué lindo. You're going to saute.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, first I put in the meat, I separate a little bit. Then the technique is like that, okay? Okay, inclínalo.
Yeah, you're here at home.
Okay? Go.
All right, let's do it. You can do it.
Yes. Go. Uh-huh. Good. How did you do it?
Watch out.
Wait, how did you do it like that?
Inside and
Yeah.
Try to move the meat.
Try to move the meat. All right, let's see. You can do it. You can do it.
yes.
There you go. You got it. Yay! Yeah.
You got it.
You got it. Yeah.
Wow, very good job. Now, here we are going to put in the onions with the yellow pepper and the red wine vinegar, okay?
There you go.
Good. Alright. Very good. Now, we're going to put in soy sauce and the tomatoes. Go ahead.
All right.
Good job. You got it.
Oh, I mean, that's that one.
It's okay.
Wow. Lomo Saltado.
Very delicious.
Lomo Saltado.
Done.
Yes.
I'm gonna make my little rice donut.
Good job.
Perfect. First try.
All right. Okay. Should take them all.
I won't.
You gotta put some lomo on there.
Okay, yes. Please go ahead if you like. I hope you.
So finished product. I'm so proud of myself. I made this.
It looks awesome. CocaTea.
So this is CocaTea.
CocaTea.
Top. Tastes a little bit like
It's mild. It's not very strong. It doesn't taste. It's like mild. Yeah. Yeah. Taste. It is mild. Yeah. I thought it would have more kick.
Yeah, it almost tastes like water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you prefer hot?
Here's how he's doing.
Sí, una porción de picarón, por favor.
One.
Una porción.
Ya, con servicio, ¿no? Ya, ahí te sale, ¿ya?
Wow. You make it look so easy.
Sweet.
Tastes just like an American donut. It's like it's a regular donut without any kind of sugar or toppings. It's fried, it's sweet. They just put like a little bit of syrup on top. It's delicious. What's here? Dragon Ball Z.
Are you excited?
Told ya. You remember that?
Yeah.
Chilcano de Pisco. So basically this is their liquor with ginger ale. That's why it's lovely. And whatever fruit they put in here. This one looks like it's orange. This is way better than a beer. Than beer.
She looks like she's doing the commercial for it.
This over beer any day.
Nah, I'll take a cold beer over this any day. It's way too sweet. Super, super sweet.
That's what makes it taste better.